This is a quick walkthrough and review of the Hyatt Place Tampa Wesley Chapel, room 424. Did a stop over here overnight, so I figured I would do a quick little walkthrough and review, give anybody an idea of what this looks like and what you can expect if you are looking to stay here. So I'm gonna kind of come over to the door and work our way back this way. So here we have our bathroom door. If I zoom that out, you can see it's kind of a barn door, kind of the standard that Hyatt has been doing as of late. If we look into the bathroom right here, we've got a very large mirror, and right there, there's two separate lights. There's actually a light that goes around that makes it really bright and easy to see the mirror. And then there's two canister lights above for your everyday needs. There you get an idea of what the sink looks like, as well as if you need your hair dryer, that is where it's located. Coming over to our toilet, you've got an elongated bowl and a soft close lid, which is always greatly appreciated. Here we have our shower, nice thick glass doors. If we come over, there is our shower head and what our hardware looks like. Temperature, good. Pressure, good. Made some weird noises when we first turned it on, so just be aware of that. In the back of the shower there, they have a little place to put your foot. And then if we come in here, there is your products. And if you're looking for your towels, normally they're up there. I'm not entirely sure why Hyatt does this, but they have this like metal strip. So as your shower is dripping itself at the end, that does make a weird sound. Just letting you know. They do use actual tiling in the bathtub area, which is nice, but they also do use wallpaper in the exterior areas, which I don't particularly care for in bathrooms. There is no actual exhaust fan, so just be aware. You take really hot showers, it might get a little steamy in there. Transitioning from our bathroom area to the bedroom, you see tile and then your carpeting there. Again, stayed here one night, so got some clutter in here. But as we come in, over here on the right, you've got a nice large desk with a coffee maker and a light. Over to this side, you have a nice large full-length mirror. And then coming to our left right here, you've got your sectional couch, a place to, put some stuff. Got some space right there, as well as an electrical outlet with USB, which is great. You've got your artwork and accent light there, as well as a separator, kind of dividing the living space from the actual sleeping area. As we come over to our workspace, you can see there's a coffee maker that I mentioned before, as well as some accoutrement to use your coffee maker. If I open up this door right here, that is going to be for your mini fridge. There is no microwave in this room, but most of the time mini fridge is enough for most. You have a nice large screen TV. You've got some drawers over there, as well as a light. Here you have your main closet area, kind of slightly frosted, but if we open this up, give you a good idea what's in here. Ironing board, iron, plenty of hangers, extra stuff, pillow. That's actually a nice warm extra blanket that you can throw on. You've got your luggage stay and, believe it or not, a decent sized safe. You could actually get a fairly small laptop in there and not have to worry. So know that that's there. Over here we do have our air conditioning unit. So you will hear this as it kicks on overnight, and then that is where your heat and cold will come out. If we come over to the window, just giving you an idea of what the view looks like from this particular room. I'm doing this mainly to show you over here, your proximity to the main highway or thoroughfare through here. So if you are sensitive to hearing road noise overnight, you're gonna hear that, so just be aware. Looking at our bed right there, again, this is the day after we stayed overnight, so it's been slept in. It's okay. It's a little on the softer side. Wish it was a little firmer, but pillows are pretty good. Over on this nightstand right here, we can see you've got a clock radio with two USBs in there. Very nice. Up here, you have plugs in your bedside lamp, which is great. And if we come over to this side, we only have plugs in the light. We do have a nightstand on this side, which is nice. And then down there, you've got extra electrical outlets. So if you needed to, you just kind of use this, pass your cables through. And we'll back that up, kind of giving you the full breadth of the room. I did kind of forget to mention right there, because I have stuff on it. Footrests, luggage holder. Like, that's pretty much what we have it as. Overall, the stay was nice. So if you are looking for something in the Tampa Wesley Hill area, the Hyatt, well worth checking out. For the price that you pay and what you get, it's very good. And even better if you have Hyatt points that you can use to reduce the price of it. I only stayed here one night, but for an overnight, it was very good. With that being said, I have been Wanderer 001. Happy wandering.